As consumer buying habits evolve, it's only natural for your dealership to grow too. The key is providing a seamless, engaging experience for your customers while also ensuring long-term dealership success. Introducing Retail Anywhere, a dealership-wide process that enables you to meet your customers' needs without sacrificing what's really important to you: profitability, accuracy, and efficiency. Here's what this looks like in the sales department. A likely buyer identified through your CRM receives a targeted email about an SUV trade-in offer. She clicks through to review her offer on a custom webpage that displays accurate vehicle information and unique pricing. While browsing online, she notices there is a dealership salesperson available on standby to answer questions or help her during her search. She likes the offer and decides to enter her information, including her trade-in. Within seconds, she reviews her trade valuation, new vehicle proposal options, and applicable incentives. She makes the selections that best meet her needs and continues by submitting the credit application. In just a few moments, she is presented with the best possible rates by various lenders. Next up is submitting final documentation, including her driver's license. She wants to finish this portion of the deal and take a test drive on-site at the dealership. Via chat, she works with the available salesperson to set up an appointment time. At the dealership, the salesperson and vehicle are ready for her arrival. Her customer and deal information are updated and accurate in the CRM and DMS, eliminating the need to rekey or duplicate information. Happy with her test drive and terms, it's time for F&I. Retail Anywhere is built on a single system, single process approach. It allows customers to buy a vehicle on their terms, whether in-store, online, or both, while still allowing your dealership to retain profitability, accuracy, and efficiency. Retail Anywhere, without sacrificing anything.